Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow microphone on Discord for Android devices. Discord is a popular communication app used by gamers and other communities to chat, voice call, and video call. If you're having trouble with your microphone on Discord, follow these steps to ensure it is enabled. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in your app drawer or by swiping down and selecting the gear icon. Next, navigate to the Applications section and search for the Discord application. Once you find it, select Permissions. Make sure that the microphone permission is enabled. If it is not already enabled, simply toggle the switch to turn it on. If you had to enable the permission, make sure to restart the Discord app for the changes to take effect. You can do this by closing the app and reopening it. By following these simple steps, you should now have your microphone enabled on Discord for Android. This will allow you to participate in voice chats and communicate with your friends and fellow gamers without any issues. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy chatting on Discord.